Yes, Iyah. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, welcome to the Voice of Bedman YouTube channel. Yes, Iyah. You say, Jaja. Yeah, man. Me, myself and I, myself and I and wife with him crowded and you know, brother. Well crowded, you know. Because I find space to put all of me seven equipments on me have, you know. I'm investing in it. I'm tell people say, no, do some serious. Yeah, man. No, do some serious gym work on you know. Yeah, man, normal, you know. Yeah, man, got 6 o'clock in the morning, you know, brother. And I say, they kind of start out the thing, and I say, boy, I just start out it. And later on in the evening, I'm going to start with some, I'm going to start with some serious gym work right now. Because I tell the man, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this we start out with. The first piece of equipment we buy at this. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. One hop slide. Hop slide. My bicycle. My bike. My gazelle. My hops board. My total gym. And my powerhouse. Yeah, man, this can straighten the legs and I have 100 pound of weights. Hey, Lippy, a long time I not see you, general. Yeah, man. Pay style me, you know. Pick the permits with some weights, you know. Yeah, man, and we talk about Lippy, you know. Yeah, man, Lippy. Them man name bodybuilding thing, you know. And big up yourself, Richie. Big up your damn self, Richie. That a Lippy, brother. Jano, you know, someone look like Gucci. Yeah, man. Come tell us something. Come tell us something. When me say me want look like Gucci, no, brother. Me know Gucci when slim, you know. That's why me tell us that politics can't come between me and none of the farmer people, them. Because me them grow up together. All of Gucci support JLP party. Every man have a right and choice. Have a right and in choice to support which party they want to support. You can't call people name per man, per the Voice of Bedman. Because some people say want to call people name. They can call name. When I call people name, I big up the people them. Because I have no grudge and nothing against my Falmouth people them. Politics can't come between me and my Falmouth people them. Because I know the man who support JLP. I mean my brethren for life. Yeah, man. So I talk about Richie. Richie is a man is a youth when I say take up bodybuilding serious, you know. Because anything about bodybuilding, you know, see, me ask Richie. And Richie tell me, Richie advise me. So big up yourself, Richie. Because the man is supposed to have him work on gym and mobile. And my brethren that Marlon best friend. Because I went there Marlon funeral one time. So Marlon man is a power back in the days. Yeah, man, I know the youth, I know the man, the heads man, the man, him play football, the man, him love them sports. You know, see it. And the man become a bodybuilder. Enough. Just like my uncle Zion Pinnock and him man there. I know Falmouth people them. Politics can't come between me and no Falmouth people, brothers. So I don't want the man come to me with an argument, brother. As what I say now. Big up yourself, Gucci. John, I want to look like you know. But too late, you know. That's why I go. Me have them sitting here people. And me never yet spend 2 weeks on them straight, you know. Me never yet spend 2 weeks on them straight, you know, brother. And I say, no, stop. Me go live inside us now. Me want do one 3 months. So when me I'll touch all in the seat. Remember, you know, the 1st of August, you know. When we touch NIP school, Lumina is link up the 1st of August. Me want a different look. Yeah, man. want to look like Richie. Thick up and all them sitting there. Just like how Ev, we're slim and you see it. And take the weights. Come to the something, brother. I know I love sports, you hear me? So who want talk this and that about me? It's all about sports. So what I say right now, yeah man. So as I say, I just line them out. And most evening time I go do my gym work, you know. And morning time I go on beach, go, you know, say I go mix it still. But as I say now, I don't talk too long. But just tell you about me 7 piece of equipment. Because I'm a 7 man. 7 me deal with. So 7 piece of equipment in my small quarters or so. Because what I say, health before wealth. That's why I don't give up my health to please nobody. Because nobody can trick me and tell me if you go take a thing there. Because God make a thing there. So go take it. Yeah man. As I say, not different man in Babylon right now. I give thanks to them. Yeah man. Because I just show every time I can take off the phone and show it individually. See me all of my dumbbells in my same way. See me have dumbbells and I have weights. 100. You get this up. I have 100 pounds of weights. When I check for some weights, I pay style me. A long time I lip still. If you don't one gym and work and all them sitting there. Big up to all of the public gym them, you know. Big up to all of the public gym them all about the place. But right now, me have myself and my wife for gym. You know see it. I'm alone now, you know, but yeah, my wifey, I just show wifey can drop in anytime you're ready. Wifey can drop in anytime you're ready, you know. But we just go and roll in with your brother. Can you feel the man go live so? Yeah man. The happy married one day. The time will come. But as I may say, such is life still. As I may say, alright, I help before well, as usual, stretch and nip for life. Because I put myself together to play some exhibition football. Yeah man. The 6th of August. No, the 1st of August and down in December time when the states have them thing. Come here say last year one did nice, you know, come to go early in and left, you know. Yeah, I think we left, you know, but come this year, I go start, I go stay and play some ball. I don't make my thing long. I put in a 10 minutes things. So I'm going to do now, about 3 minutes left and I go talk say. Then I mash it. You mash it, yeah. And the thing I even send down to cut the wild tambourine. A park field, me I go now. A park field, me I go right and I go get strength. A park field, me I go right and I go get some voluntary work. And this I go work out in the morning now. I can get TG strength because right now, they feel a cut now. Yeah man. So they go continue work today. Some want to say I can get the football part of the thing. Because I want to feel the cut that the kids can play about because track and field almost over. Although them are going Miami still none. They have to practice the same way now. But football supposed to start shortly. Most people don't know the reason with the principal. I say boy, they might organize the primary football down the region now. Because I mean I feel my idea now, but it's pass it on to the Children Football Association. So Jerry them I go put a thing together to play some football now. And therefore I call the principal name. I say Elvin, main reason. Because right now I say Elvin want to build a goalpost now to put up a primary infant. Because I say Elvin organize a primary football between Baruch School and Iyah Infant and Granville and Wifey. Yeah man, the primary. Just like me what we tell everyone last night and Shelly. Yeah man, the Pocket Rocket Foundation I keep a champion league, go keep a champion league thing. So me and Kingston and St. Andrew, I want to send catching you. Up in the school, the primary school and the prep school, them, they got a champion league, football thing, you know. So you see what Shelly put back for the youth, them. All of sports go put back thing in the sports, you know. So all you say, big up yourself is a Elvin. Because you see you get you go see you get your goal post them bill. We put on the 8 primary and infant playground. You know see it. Bar school have free money already. So as what me I say, a park me a go now. Park me a go now your strength. That's what me can do. Yes, Iyah. And so me can help me can help the entire playground. So that we can when the sports day done, the field can maintain same way. And know yourself here. Know yourself here. The field look good enough, you know. And we go stick to it. So you stay the same way. Because me tell people say, you know, I said look last year, you know. Last year, January, you know, the field look good, you know. So good. I don't know why Tova never just can't maintain the thing. Then left it so. Because you see me content September 16 last year. How it look. I'm glad say boy it gone back to looking damn good now. Some others try to maintain it. You know see, try if you do it and try if you know see, talk about it. So I'm glad say the feel looking at one nice state right now. So as I say, I don't apart me I go now. Been a long time to work out now. Probably come home go start my workout. But me myself and my wife gym fully loaded. You know see it. Because about me never depend on for 2 weeks straight. 3 months I want to depend on right now. From now until the 1st of August. So as I say, all road lead to NIP school. Yeah, on the 1st of August. Yes. So later on I come get another content. So as I say, 11 minutes, me not go no further, brother. Me not go no further, Iyah. Me say enough, so come have content after content that we can deal with. So I go park you now. I go park a bus on sweater now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Big up yourself, Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. Yes.